Hi, we're Stef and Bo. In case you missed it, we decided to name him Luigi.
Don Giovanni, it's Italiano.
We're taking him to a very special place.
Gonna say the liquor store, but
8 a.m.
We can't wait to start converting our van into a home.
probably in a couple of days.
Of course, finding the right material isn't always easy.
It was all sold out.
We lost a lot of stuff.
Come along today and follow our journey of turning our van into a tiny home on wheels. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and hit that notification bell. It's the easiest way to support us.
Hi guys. Good morning.
Or good afternoon or good night, wherever you are, guys. Welcome.
So we woke up pretty early because normally today we're gonna go and fix our mirror.
Yeah.
Someone broke on our first ride home.
If you don't know what we mean, in our previous video, you'll hear everything about. So check that last video and go check it out, then you'll see what happens.
Yeah, so they called us this morning that the mirror hasn't arrived yet in their mail, but that means that we're up, we're awake, so we can do other stuff.
Yeah, we're going to the. I was gonna say the liquor store, but I was actually trying. I wasn't.
It's 8 a.m.
I meant actually the hardware store. Sorry, guys, it's morning. We want to have some basics tools that we also can take with us for the long run, actually, and. Maybe buy some stuff for the flooring, I guess.
We haven't been to the store together for ages because we were just not allowed.
For you guys who doesn't know, we live in Belgium, and the regulations of COVID-19 makes it very strict to go actually together in a shop, only if you go on appointments.
They're a little less strict now.
So we can now go to the store together, actually, and that's what we wanted to do also for the stuff that we're gonna see, like flooring and wood panels.
Yeah, so check it out if you like it. See you later.
All right, see you guys. That's Luigi.
Ah, Luigi.
Luigi. Don Giovanni. It's Italiano. Oh yes.
It does.
All right.
All right.
All right, Luigi. So
We're going to take you to the hardware store.
It's hot in here.
It really is hot in here.
All right.
Is it locked?
Yeah, you gotta always check the locks because one time we actually forgot it to do in Australia, and on that specific day we lost a lot of stuff. We don't want that. took a bit longer than expected, and we didn't actually bought that much. But look, Luigi's fine. He's still there.
Yeah, now we're gonna pack up and maybe check out the drive-in for the installation.
Yeah, there's apparently a separate space
over there. Yeah.
And we need to go to there.
To get the installation checked out. And
yeah, I forgot this freaking mountain that was massive in my hand. Based on that, we'll know what wood. So no, based on that isolation thickness, then we'll know what kind of thickness of wood we can buy, because they need to be exactly at the same height measurements actually. So that's really important before we buy stuff and then we're like, hey shit, this doesn't fit. So it's really important. Okay. Right.
Just had some lunch, a little rest, and now we're going to another hardware store, like the same but in another area. Let's try if you can find the insulation there that we need, because it was all sold out. Maybe for a little shop too, get some herbs that we can plant.
Yeah, that would be great.
Oh yeah, close the gate.
Alright.
Yeah, luckily the owner of the apartment building we're staying in allowed us to park in the back of our apartment building to work on our van and to vlog and to just, you know, do some stuff there if we want to, which is really nice because we don't have a fixed parking spot here. We're staying in a city area. So parking is really hard to find here, and especially to work on it because we're gonna need electricity and stuff, and yeah, you can't just do that on the street, you know. So we're really happy we got the code for the fence, the gate over there. So Stefan's just closing it now, so no one else comes in there because it's a private property and we don't want any unwanted visitors. He's taking long. Yeah, maybe afterwards we'll do a little layout of the van inside, so we know what everything looks like and how big everything's supposed to be. There he is.
Yeah.
Made it.
All those small corners in the streets. It's a little bit stressful, but this is just a city, so...
Exactly. So, off to the next store.
Yeah, we gotta go to the next store now. Unfortunately, we realized that this part of the video had no audio. Luckily, we found some insulation that we were searching for.
Was successful. We managed to get the insulation we need and we managed to find some wood for the floor, so that's really great. Yeah, I'm glad we got that sorted, and I think then we're gonna go home, and if we're still not too tired we might try and do a little layout already in the van and tape it so we can visualize it a bit better already. See you later.
Okay, we made it, guys. We just done some grocery shopping. We're actually a bit tired because of all the traffic we had to do. So we're gonna unload now and maybe rest a bit, and maybe the next day we'll do the layout, and later in the future probably the floor. Probably in a couple of days. Okay, guys.
Alright, we did it.
Yeah.
We just have to bring everything upstairs and put everything away and make ourselves some cocktails.
Yeah, because we're tired, and if you just don't know, we live actually in an apartment. It's pretty okay. It's upstairs. It's a new building, but I mean it's an apartment, and
it's fine.
There's supposed to be a parking spot that isn't really actually finished, but hey, who cares, right?
I don't think we're gonna live through it.
Yeah, that's true also.
So,
made it back. Now I'm gonna just unload everything in the elevator, and then when Stefan gets back from parking the car, we're gonna make ourselves a really well-deserved cocktail. Maybe a mojito or a pina colada. We got lots of herbs that we're gonna plant outside on our balcony. We're planning on doing it today, but we're just too exhausted. It's gonna be a plan for tomorrow or the day after even, which is gonna be really nice because then you're gonna have all these lovely mints and parsley and basil. It's gonna be real nice. I'm gonna make lots of good cocktails with them. Oh, hi Gizmo. Yeah, we're really happy to see you. Yeah, matey. Happy we're back.
Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell to follow our van conversion. See you next time!